welcome to my channel again. And today, basically on my previous video, you guys have seen that I uploaded how different type of color on here on people's can be changed. And let me show the output of that video, and I'll move from there. So, let me open the image validation set. Like this, you guys can see basically how hair color is being changes, and that's the project is so called Hair AI, which I name here. The project is inspired by hair clip, so I trained my own weight here and will start the processing. Let me share some of my output with you guys and what this model is capable about. I'm going to take one snap image and we'll do the image manipulation in terms of hair color and hair style on this image. Okay guys, so let me move. So let me create a folder where my entire output will be saved. Okay, so I name this folder poop, not available here so far. Okay, so let me delete other folders. I'm going to put a specific type of hairstyle on this lady image, and so whatever the type of hairstyle I wanted to put, I write it here. It write that hairstyle in readme.txt. Correspondingly, the export directory will write the output sample image in the poop folder. Okay guys, and the color reference I'm taking here is blonde. So let me run, and then I'll move forward with some other experiment. We'll show you. Okay, so let me run the image. It takes couple of seconds. So let me open the folder so you guys can see there are one type of hairstyle being visible. This is the input image and this is the output modified hairstyle with the implanted blonde color, and my entire outputs of some other type of hairstyle will be written here with the corresponding color as an output section. You guys can see how the hairstyle is changing while the features and rest of the image remains same. So this is what basically how far AI is reached, that you guys can see how you will look like with a different type of hairstyle corresponding to different color. Okay, so this is one of the standard image. I think you guys will not enjoy that much. So let me open some image from the Google, and we'll move forward from there. So I'm opening some guest account here. I'm naming this account QQQQ. Okay guys, so okay, let me type some sort of image for you, like okay, celebrity front face. So I got few celebrities images here, and I'm going to download one of the sample image. You know, I like Angelina Jolie a lot, but people use Angelina Jolie so many times, so let me choose some anonymous image. I guess this is okay. So I'm downloading this image, save image as a save image. Now I have this image. Okay, let me let me open in folder, show in folder. Let me reach out to the base directory where I can put that image. So first I need to in directory. So this is my input directory where I can put the image. This image will first write in out directory as an align front face using delabel. Thereafter face encoding will be used, and finally the hair clip updated model, which take text input to changes the hairstyle and the color. Now I'm running the algorithm again, and let's say how this input image of some I don't know the name of this girl, but how she will look like in different hairstyle. So let me run the image and we'll see the output. All of these output will be available in our website. You can check the website URL in discussion section of the video. So first initially this the align image will be right, okay, some with face alignment using delab. Thereafter this align image will move to the encoding section, and after encoding the text corresponding to the input type of hair, face makeup and hairstyle, it will return the image. So you guys can see how the this input image will be will change the hairstyle as well as the color of the color. So let me show you all rest of the type of output. It's everything available in the poop folder. So you guys can see these are some output which is written by the algorithm. So this algorithm not only changes the hair color and hairstyle both, it can also adapt for changing the hair color only, and let me do it. So all I need to do, just put the option here, like what type of input and what type of color I would like to do here. So I'm going to change only the color type. Sorry. And I'm going to put white color on that lady, and when I run the algorithm, it will return a white color hair image here. Create a folder for color and return the output image. It takes couple of seconds. So you guys can see how like hair color of the image is being changed, and this is basically a type of white blonde. We used to call it platinum blonde in terms of hair color. So so this is all about today, guys. So this is Ajay, and I created this entire model and motivated by hair clip. So it takes input as in text, and whatever the color of input image you would like, you guys can want to see on your original image. You can see eventually you can change the type of hairstyle. There are various hairstyle is already integrated in this AI. So I'm finally opening the output image, and this is all about today, guys. Tomorrow I'll bring some other videos and we'll explain how AI is changing the world. Thank you guys. Thanks for watching the video.